Whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware, you are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. It is celebration time for the Voice of the People Party, VPP, after emerging the majority party in the election to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC, by winning 17 MDC seats out of the total 29 seats. According to the poll results declared today, the UDP has won 5, NPP 4, and HSPDP 1 seats in the election, while independents have won the rest 2 seats in the council. The BJP, Congress and KHAM have failed to win even in single seat in the polls that was held on Friday. Other hand, the VP could not repeat the winning spree in JHADC unlike the KHADC, as the party secured only 8 seats while the NPP got 13. The party position of others is Congress and UDP 3 each and independents 2. The NPP is set to form the next executive committee in JHADC with the help of like-minded parties.
What I think about VPP performance is like what we during the campaign, what we campaign, what we say to the public, we do that only. Like the MLA election, the MP election also, like the people they say walk the talk. That is what our party did, and we win with the majority. We thank the public and the voters as well. Thank you.
How excited are you after winning?
I feel very excited. Thank you.
Okay.
Muslim orang konvensi. Kori na kami na sa os begini. Kau sih dapat baat pihak itu pihak kakak apa le bumi pra. NPP kan les pas pau. Plus